frogs. Max was glum. He sat in the mud, in a rut, in the sun. He had a run in the sun from his bed to the log. The big jutting log where there were some frogs. But where were the frogs? Were they trapped in the log? Would they go to the rut, the big rut by the bog? So Max ran and ran from the log to the bog. But he tripped as he ran, and he dropped with the plop. Max was glum. He tripped. He looked like a slob as he sat in the mud where he dropped in the bog. He was in the rut. His slide was wet, muddy and wet. Max could be glad yet. Up from the mud, the rut where Max sat. Plop, 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 flop. What had come up from that muddy, glum rut where Max had slid flat? What had come up? Frogs, frogs, lot of frogs. One seed could be 10. Tons of frogs where Max had been. Max was glad he had plopped in the bog, here in the mud and in the rut, here in the bog where frogs glop up.
Okay.